Abusunya Sammy meda wase se wagibre na wo hwe enigide mu nsem ewo Nkosuo TV ene TV etwegu ewo Asante ntan kese so ene Germany Holland ene UK mu ni ade nyina Canada mu nyina benim se etwegu ho Sammy a wo hwe mi Nkosuohene ena betimi afre me mena ene adwumadi imagine dendende amidi ho chiame agidie mu nsem yo manga ne mu dia da bia meka nu kan se meka sabre wa wonim se yekofa sinitwafo omommo sinitwam ti sinitwase anwomtofo omommo yimpasere me che comedians ne tese nkofo bebre a omde Ghana din e konkan ayi nim wo mo a wo hu wo mo nso abeka se so mesi die minim no but omo niema bi wo ho a ya na wonim baby a mo efri empoaduane omo pe agro omo pe nom ne ade nyina no wonim na yenko ji aboafo nkrato ye ba nipa na mede ne e bayi no mo be hu nipa kro me kwaba.
Bojo Beach Resort is the perfect setting for your ultimate relaxation and corporate retreats. Escape from Accra's hustle and bustle and experience a true paradise just a 30 minutes drive from the airport. If you like our beach, you would love our hotel. Enjoy a weekend getaway, all special honeymoon packages as well as jazz music and live band performances every last Friday of the month. Our rooms are well furnished with the latest state-of-the-art amenities for your comfort. Our facilities include a swimming pool, a volleyball court, a pool table, footballs, conference rooms, and more. Enjoy a memorable trip across the Denso in our signature motorized canoe. Rated number 2 on TripAdvisor's top 10 things to do in Accra. You can call us on 0302 982 176 or visit our website at www.bojobeachresort.com. Bojo Beach Resort, Accra's best kept secret.
Abusunya mabadia said ne amoa munim no eye Bojo Beach. Bojo Beach ya ka Bojo Beach dia enei eno na agidin wo manga ne mu pa obi bia opese okodwodwo ne ho okope ensu papa bi di ne ho tom na one ne ma eho ye neat na wo ba nso na de esa wona mpese obekokora na hotel restaurant bi bia wo ha benye bi wa ha Bojo Beach Resort benye bi bia bi wa ha me kanfo ha ma se bra na won so ne wabusua na wo ne onka nchema momra na magimani omo ne ne omaso mase o me de eye ne gide mu nsam e de brew na mewo ebra pani bi wa ha eba sinitwa dia otwa bi papa oye darling boy nso e ma ne boni din pa na nsia na mete so ware ya chese utimi se ma ne ha bi no pa cause em se wa amfa le na manfo kra nim kra no amfa ho e no de ko fa baby fofra aye yi sa ne ho nsem nso de bi bai e wo sinitwam si ya yese mu ntwa se ne kra biem ono ode ne ho no ono ane de na adwen ne kasa wo nso nkrofo bi so stop o stop no o ntwa se ne kra biem e de no ho kan e ukodi obi atam ana okoye den ne nyina na eni bidi enkomo me ne menua be ma modofo Ekow Smith Asante seka ho bravani Richard e man check up o
mo keka so aya mo hu me mo ntumi nsedan biebie mu nkyerem
but say wo hu bi nso say asaso me se de o
nsedan ne carriage sa o mo ntumi mba me ni me nka nkyerem aya mo nka na me hu because I said rumors bisa na nkrofo kana nkrofo se da twa to musu bisa
David se wan kasa na wo ye be ma enti wo hu se abranti me ho ye ma bia kono enti oba bia ma wanim da se na ni je wo ho
oh ene se me fans ne de na hu an no twa picture enti no na wo kan de ene na me nche da enti ase
rapidi enwa kwa baba ye ni gidie mu nsam so ye nhwe Reverend hina ofi
me kasa no de me fi bebre told me I am a British by name because you're from Smith.
Yes.
I told you I'm a Fanti by birth because you're Motakrad. I told you I'm a Krapimni by tribe because I'm free Mampon Krapim.
Okay.
I told you I'm a but me I'm free Mampon. Couple pick class size crime sample could to me. It said me if you baby.
Yes, I want to soon soon traffic.
I'm a Roman spirit.
Yes, are you from our school?
We started yet. Yeah, Motakrad. Until me started primary school in Motakrad. And I'm a baby primary school no Kumasi because I'm papa so journey into transfer. And at secondary school, me started off for a penny secondary school. and I'm baby we Ganata secondary school. I made my brother on sanity. Some catch a Roman spirit. And I call university no Legon. Diploma, a year degree Legon. And a year master's will Legon. Into a new service and twice a day, and I don't know crowd who's to the big crowd.
And fear saying, no way the saying, ne banner saying, and I do who ras in each.
China dear, we better by accident, and I said by luck or by favor. Because me the other day, me started was stage so theater. And you know, stage theater na muna mekai. So one of our friends, Roger Quarty, Sabre number sa film ya mini Susie of Blessed Memory, Susie Williams, as a superstar or something. No, but I hear one of the plays now, so Charlie Cocrano, as the ref, no, is good. So that was it. You know, and I know trim if stage. And I said, then I'm just stage, but Mr. Samba back to stage. Me frequent it.
And the young Siniba Pana Usha, a do bar, lamplight, and I said, do bar stardom, Nipa in who.
Very dear mommy, papa. But I think superstars is one because as an energy, deep and as an Ibia may a prince. One arrogant prince, Ibia. Mr. Jacapia, me fin and no born as some crack. Oh yes, I think that was one of the reasons why Obeberes did it because again as again in Peranas as Zimbabwe. So I said,
okay, and that time no way design.
I would not remember. I should be in my late 20s or late 20s, I guess. Yeah, early.
Oh, can school some near them, but I didn't know school.
Oh, Monsieur drama. So just me training college, no na. So me sure microphone no TV no so na me microphone ye. Met me ya manasin sa o. But to the me hwɛ sɛ met me akɔ school akra kan ho na ma me ye no raw talent sa. Enti Monsieur drama, theater, music, dance, and I'm Monsieur theater management, and then for diploma, any degree, any acting, you know. But my masters na me call communication. And my communication is how to talk, how to use acting to talk, how to everything that you do, you are communicating, so you should let people know and read you properly.
They say, oh, share, oh, same pan or here,
about 3 years ago, I started counting 3-4 years ago. Now, my bro 50. And that, me sure I'm who's a child, me jama, me mano. Me film one. I'm saying, hey, daddy did. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, daddy did 117 films. Hey.
Is this so money? Saying?
Me woman,
you know. Okay. Now, na bibrina say abranti di nim senka Jackie monom ne ade ono mutwa na bi nanka obeto ache wo mo na baby ade ode fai na mo no ompe obi o industry no.
Me ta ko hospital. Me sure doctors na me sure mo ntanya nurses. Na me say me nko hwe piloting so na pilot for so bebre na no menya hostess. Na me ko hwe pharmacy so bebre na shedan ware eyi no worry about terms okay adena msanye bebi a wo ye adwuma na so guru ta guru o hwe na akodi amu
do kisi bi ni mu wie ya na o
ye adwuma eno de me mfa me pe director bi ho say I call case na me so my case
enti mo case na e real pa
e be real it depends on the role na say bra adwuma na ye no we are obi abrabo na ye enti siasi ya mfa Nkosuohene Ekow ware ne honeymoon ana ne yire hia ombe ye ne sen na camera bi eni ho a se obeyi woyam na what woka wa hwe wedding expenses ya na afi de yes ne a was maye ne sen wa ko hwe bro ne senior pa mo hu se sabio oyi ashawo pa na ga kwe hwe nchese girl yi nya ashawo bro ne senior why say doctors here because yes so doctors when you hear actors but they are so believable na Ghana have for the because your kodakra now cautious tights but in reality no da wo shesha na ma we bra no kra umbobi wo shop t-shirt bi and night bi so let people believe you and na masini ne ye fe
enti mebu eba ne sana oni oba bi ye na wo jeja ne ho omobra fan say ade hu aya ha mema no hu bibi nya yi
ye hu bibi nya den
en sorry
there be na say wona ko she hotel room na say hu onu nkwa na zo bi ni wa na betu be pagya no ho na camera man gina ho lighting man gina ho editor gina ho continuity gina ho makeup gina ho nipa be 20 aden ntumi mfa ho nto ho so aden
na bi o on the me kan sa oba no hu no wa ya
o say adwuma ti se na bia obi wa ha ohumoja ntumi ngina adena ebede na onipa pa to me hwe onipa be ma na bato na doctor ufasikan na wo de twa no honam so wo yi akola na wo ye bibi adan wo ni tima sa na tie ntie what is a director be ka action pe won say your mindset ni bibia ama wa kai character ko a wo play no na wa ye pepe
ase edumre bi se na me intro no me di kankan no ya tete se ya sini ye kra no ya ma age wa home kakra kire mu kire na ye wa ma no ne de na ye nte ye kankan bi na no so se ya nyi ni papa sa
yes, it's film industry no say ye processes ye na say to the bia na say Ghana for producers na there no musro competition me menka no kre twene no na da ho me sure so no musro competition and this abena na Nigeria for person so ba no mo invest e wo ye sini adwuma no na I think I worked with Nkosuohene for Nigeria for Makumia no bi ebe ye adwuma mo ba hu mi na yekam so kwana da ho no yemfa na omumra na wo ho by that time na chese Asante be hu omo na ye ne omo transi ne keka to hu na namsa nyesa yo ye wo Ekow region. They have every Nigerian or every Ghanaian in Ekow community you're free to come and work. Inti say no omu so be a sabi wo potential be na wo ben mo na person ba overtake mo. They will find ways and means of cutting you down. And then the omo ya there me friend opera mafia. And sinibe sabe na my sinibe 3 4 5. I may play major role. Sinibia as an A-list actor who play major role. Supposed about so when him you command warning editing when you know say since big work na ye film much they did a very good job. And any omonne no mfisa sa na ti hoda
nti ho no omo hwan wo say
so me Kofi Ajololo ne ade so you are part of the ye boana Nigeria for abaji ejuma Nigeria for so ba na ye nyina ye ejuma ye say na omonti ase no endure chisa say na me hu no nye sa no hu no bia na vision e different and
mama wo so
that time they twem pra
ye nya bo fon krato ma na ye hwe etwa mu no ene ma ye ebusun ye kwaba.
Bojo Beach Resort is the perfect setting for your ultimate relaxation and corporate retreats. Escape from Accra's hustle and bustle and experience a true paradise just a 30 minutes drive from the airport. If you like our beach, you would love our hotel. Enjoy a weekend getaway, all special honeymoon packages as well as jazz music and live band performances every last Friday of the month. Our rooms are well furnished with the latest state-of-the-art amenities for your comfort. Our facilities include a swimming pool, a volleyball court, a pool table, footballs, conference rooms, and more. Enjoy a memorable trip across the Denso in our signature motorized canoe. Rated number 2 on TripAdvisor's top 10 things to do in Accra. You can call us on 0302 982 176 or visit our website at www.bojobeachresort.com. Bojo Beach Resort, Accra's best kept secret.
Abusuya ya sa kwabade a na wa wonim se eye Bojo Beach na asoyase na ne interview ana se anigide mu nsem no ye de ebro me ne mu nua be ma da so ha Cosmate Asante e wa ha na ne edi nkomo no woka eye ne ba ya e ma ntawantawa bi ba henfo ne henfo ntemu a ene nyame ya adoma ya ma omo so ayese yetu asen wa so de no ya ma so se befa position me hwese ma ne so no bo ha na aso de kɔ no etutusi na ne nyi aso de nim ya hwese ono so ye ma ne so no na ne nyi sini twa ho de a brabani
Oh yes, me too. I send there by only 1 or 2 people to perform Mujudi. I realized that most of the producers, I'm a bit emotional. And my partner said, okay, if I say football. I see Sule Muntari can't talk or pet cake or Bayer will say, nah, get it done and the wolf, no, but on your Bonin, you Bonin is our quality, the midfield, not yet. No, your midfielder. Yeah, funny, the lifestyle in Bibi Antuncha, near Mbadi and field. You get my point. Until we've been more home, so I called the Sebans our railway, and as a BBC say, that's the initial action there, and then you'll be delivered. Yeah, find so new be Ekow hey, high, and I said, be penasem, so we got people, producers and directors who think professionally. And I'm new Juma Kakran and Chenam Sam Sutos. I think that was before I make my master's. Into no, me share na, and I must slow down. I said, and then maybe to opportunity for something else. So when I realized that microphone slow down, my vision sometimes I think is too much for some people. So I just drifted to go and do my masters. Into my master's number, and I'm Asante also. I hear a couple of things. Right now I'm actually producing my own TV series. So yes, Bibiania, Ube Penina so be leader na so be ko nimo bibia na to be a so fufa fa na mamumsa no na ye utumusu na mabintu no yeah
yanhwe ene momu de yese fe no Gallywood ene won krofo bi from Kumawood on the mention no which yese say Kumawood ne krobi obi ade a ono abie na ye de ato adai na wo say asimi hu wo senia omutwa no wamfa say Asante mem Kumasi ye de kanka say ye bi pe na wompa na
wo start years na nyama nansia aya nyin ko archives
me enne die ya lewu mu no die na mekan
enne die no die
onse min kai time ayisu Williams mo nyame fa de krensi yi enne ayimu no ende ne anim say what you say, but a name, hey, what can some kind of money or money started the balance and lady as a way you mammy.
We best say, maybe a criminal producers never honor or believe in Accra Kumasi collaboration. But between about saying 9 producers no more so my ban. So yet it's for no more and new ones, but I must believe it's I don't know, Ekow stars for America near the local team, but local blasters is there. And it creates more job opportunity for the people in Kumasi or any other where they are shooting to. A monk of Fusujuma and yes, I be a friend because to the beer a number baby, Ebu no Bukra no befa phone our friends, now friend crop who now my best sister so after who will be flight I'm on mamba over the hotel near the cabby oh my fact as soon as we are here and then we'll finish the hotel being we be in on my cab for Cassie be a round then I channel say oh you are fire the NBA Obiane ni aims and vision mean to me for so now I so say man say abano Obia microphone why what to work Accra from that what I'm crying near Kumasi and Obakra and Korean as a Bonsama show between I had our dog of a bone. I don't really understand why I'm not part, but if any opportunity comes, because I've worked with Asante and I think Albert Jackson, and I say 1 or 2 guys be no management, which they all understand how I flow. And so a couple of them, but some way be more friendly English. Sometimes they talk to you, and sometimes when the price is good, we do. But of late, me name or more line of vision, any acquire much to minimum some more. I don't know unless sometimes one casa bay just a one casa put a watch out there to send a Van Vicker, any 1 or 2 people are or not call her coach, that kind of thing.
Me buy me to say Oscars ana the more movie you say your mama Ghana for. After 90 years, opportunities are more fast than a comra. Now, Mumfemesia can say, a bit in Yamma Basobody Bia. Now, Seneno, Yian ewo local language and yamma mo emra bi deda ho yampa na yampa kwan me na monam so amode saa asene ne ekọ
my kind social media, my kind some of the news outlets, but I think it's a good thing. Fine, you be recognition. The only thing I feel say anka enshada here say be requirement. Ne say obeka say chinchinya as say bad local dialect. See the fra kra katwi kakra waka bofu kakra because Ghana kasa no edoso. Nti hwamu na nkofa emfa nkoma Asante fo na emfa nkoma Nkran fo na emfa nkoma fra fo na bibi nti ye den ya select I because on say China for na the Indian for na they speak English and my church was here at church. So I think, well, to start with, me feel it's a good idea. It will give it as opportunity. I think I hear Leila Jansi is part of the team at Omo. I don't know about the requirements or anything, but by the layman, your normal say answer na business. So technically, storyline, actors, actors, everything should be on point for you to be, selected to be part of the Oscar Awards. But I know, it is the true storyline and the technical aspect, and I'm look out for.
Okay. Preparation be about so more see, and I say will be the actors guild no join it.
Yes, but I'm a member of the actors.
We a buy need better money.
Many leadership of the Actors Guild. Okay. Into no meaning so many about to him no country Canada. And I mean belong to the Producers Association too. So I don't know say about her, but I'm sure they have all read it and at the right time they are working on it. Among for modalities any quite by for some by years in
share series in and Korea. Series ben away TV to say.
Table of Men.
I know you're wow there.
I'm a producer.
Mate hon kapa okay nti eno no ka bibi wom kire adofo na omum pe bi enye.
Well sir mo social media dey beba so nyamba mutumbu ase. Yeah pekas. O see pekas kakasa. We na me a producer and TV3 Ghana TV3 for no me executive producers, meaning omo chia huska to be shown in Ghana. Yeah, and it's a bit you try first season, it's a second season, but you show second season here. It's a bit challenging for me. I will tell you, I won't lie. Some person say, "Would do stage be now?" So, Nyamisha, I told the person ABB, and man, we a statement. So, no, be sure because okay, that one is good. Yes. And I'm going to DH, I'm going to we are doing that tired because social media may use leading actors a lot of the guys. I am Pat. You use Prince Osai David. David Donto is part of it. Fred Amuge is part of it. Martha Kuma is part of it. Grace Norte is part of it. Pusha is part of it. Pusha Nikila also a part of it. It's a lot of old, new, and upcoming. That's what we did. And when say yes, starts and then a series. We try 1, 2, 3 episodes. That's Ekow. Pacho, Yankee basis here. Now, if you train by Matna, say wedding, up and down. Actors, and I'm a problem, kakra, because of my availability, But at the end of the day, you like it. The director who was Abeku Akwa. Killer of those things we do for love. He did a very good job, and this is the time that it's a good experience because, for instance, when I was using police, I didn't use actors as police. Me use national headquarters police. Yes. Could do IGP office. Me here. Of course. And I was start to show a hospital setting, papa. And now I go to the hospital, na doctor be permission. So we start 1, 2, 3, and a patient be muhemu hinti no. So I don't know for na masa. Yeah, Fred doctor wa bro say you man and mom say munjai. Hey, yeah, bro. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Abba, esi. Jina Spinters Hospital, my body, I'm not going body in the trunk. Hey, I'm not pay what gather, yes, and I will brands, what gather equipment, what gather crew, what gather cast. Then I buy assemble or Spinters, baby. Oh, be okay. Hospital staff, and that's in your world too, because boss and I'm inquiring. Tell that boss in your way to cry. And I 1 year said, then you patient been boss, I want to one from no church. No, my happy base and I'm disturbing patients. Me want to not patients. And about two patients are in about bear 1 or 2. Papa, if I went to no some cross, pack out and go. Asanko. Oh, yes.
Kafra. And they say, time and show TV3.
TV3 a show first season. Maybe no more show on Thursdays, but the same must start to repeat. I'm showing on Sundays at 4 o'clock or something.
Sika bounce.
I think never. But they said more contribution. Now you turn to us because cash in buy.
And sponsors number more.
TV3 Sika Nessa. Into say no
sponsors name.
Yeah, more sponsors. I mean sponsors.
All right. Abroche for no more sempa.
Hey, na what na hoye den. Yeah, boy be say ya tigana for nim nti mpia echi.
Yan hwe ene apart from tables of men no. E dey na say do anim biem na chia or fans na kan bi kira.
Nyame aduma am say menya sini a me produce but logistics no todo be hadwe.
One kasa no vision is so. Because we had your Kenya.
To me come na me pejama no na me sana me hwanya me nim say am say me na ha na od me be share as an actor now as a visionary no. I don't know the me share South Africa how you dream.
Person ka Hollywood baby.
My member South Africa for kra India for kakra and China we you to Hollywood. Oh, because sometimes no so say no me vision be am be me come ministry kra no. Eso mame. No, this is too big. I mean, let us put it down and solve other things. But you see, TV now here, bra, and I'm moldy. As I see a person in America, near baby, no, and I'm moldy. And me and set down goals. Be na ye pe kakre bedinti kakre bedinti ni etwa hu po. As now I'm back up. You try no enjoy the enjoy my cash. What the enjoy was 20 years to come. Nothing to show apart from what I will see. And I can't be out of free. Then. Now do you my mind? But anyway, nyame aduma me beye ekutia show bi. Me de me amedin atoso. Me pese me tin me biase. Me miase na nyame bi wo ha me ntiase me bisa. Nti me show no eye bisa question. Se me ntiase se ebia se bio obi afrim. Na ye de na kwahye fridge mu. No we di be 3 decades e wo fridge mu. No no mentiase umbeyi manope na fe umoyi no susu no naka wo ho plywood ne ade wo ho no ma ko to dua no de fe o no ma jimudin we ye na so he asma say ye ne fe fine na ne ya mentiase se ye ko hye cemetery ho na ye tutu form ye de adaka na hye form ho na ye nda ne ye ho kura mfi ho no ma fa sofi ene Picasso no mu bubu no ma sen obi sam sa de ntia so yanse na akronfo baba ho ye nyansa pa ntia koto ade abodin ne ye de chefom sabi ene say minim entina mi eno ana mpesa mi beba muntum was ti me pesa me kana me ti obi dan so no bia na ekwa we fine Ghana for dem pene ma bisa me dem se me ntia se ntia me bisa mun cheche bu adofo ja Ekow de me lecture bi University of Ghana na ka se me tun kom ni anwunyi hwe bibi ye na wo sabe asema obedi 10 years back no wo enche waka na aya wo se asem po na beso wo whisper potro bia na di nche na de last speaker beso e ama mic nche aya wo kasa to boss me say papa no hu vision na wo me mun say atoro bia tammi ha me na me ka but mu antia sabe mabompa ya ma ebinum ya nyame apagan tube penso bia se yetumi so yeboa yo man ntikakra ebetumi ayen ebele ama omana koso na mum munguso mbompa ya man o mumwa ya hu satado bia ka akra na etwi kra na sensonia ensre enkasa ko start edwuma ya ntiden otumito wunnim ade na ye famu no yesi se wo banga so a na o te se okotom wawo nti no aya momwa philanthropist aya momwa mama nkaso we ya acting sa e bia na yen for free we be dey wan onyonya ya ne fame ene ade anhu na ne hunu na emu ne bia na nyama nkoso yi nti aya momwa na mompagya yen na yenso yentimonim nyame nhyira mo se mo hwɛ ne yeye na mugusu bompam God bless you
sɛ nyame enhyira wo so ya na me so mesi nyame nso enhyira me nua bɛ me sɛ meto me nsa frɛ no waba ewia bɔ ne traffic bi a wadi mu nso enei abɛka me nsa wɔ ha wo nso a wo afie mo monten so ne wunwuma so a wo nso ɛyɛ wo hwɛ ɔyɛ kyi nyame nhyira wo nyame enhyira ɛyɛ aboa fo me kyɛ me sponsor ba ko pɛ bojo beach nya asɛm ketewa ma ka kyerɛw sɛ nei beach bie ne hɔ a ɛwɔ Ghana ha wobɛtumi agye wa home ɛyɛ afili gbenze afili trebian ɛwɔ hanom nyame nhyira wo bebree edi na yɛ de frɛ me ane Nkosuohene ma mu nyina mo ne tia ɛnya do